SARS-CoV-2, or the novel coronavirus, is literally going viral across the world. It is a virus, but what is a virus? How does it enter and affect our bodies? How can something not even alive cause this much chaos in the world? Lastly, what is the solution and what can we do about it? My name is Ryan and today I will present about the coronavirus. This coronavirus is made up of RNA genetic material encased in a lipid or fat envelope with protein spikes on its outer shell that can connect to a host cell, which it then uses to produce copies of itself. These protein spikes make the virus look like a crown, hence the name coronavirus. The coronavirus family can infect mammals and birds, and in this case, the virus is considered zoonotic, which means it came from an animal then jumped to a human host. SARS-CoV-2 can infect us and cause the respiratory illness COVID-19 or coronavirus disease 2019, which makes it a pathogen and dangerous to our bodies. It causes symptoms such as cough, fever, pneumonia, and in extreme cases, even death. This danger makes it quite different from the flu. While they both cause respiratory diseases, the main differences are in how contagious and how deadly the viruses are. Influenza has a shorter incubation period than COVID-19, but the coronavirus has a higher reproductive number, or R0, which is the number of people infected by one infected individual. The coronavirus also has a higher mortality rate, meaning it is more deadly than the flu. The coronavirus can be transmitted directly from one person to another. For example, when somebody coughs or sneezes. It can also be transmitted indirectly through contaminated surfaces or objects, also known as a fomite. In the case of indirect transmission, there is no human-to-human contact because it is indirect. These droplets containing the virus then enters the eyes, nose, or mouth when somebody coughs near you or you touch your face after touching a contaminated surface. The virus then enters our respiratory tract into our lungs and other organs. It can then start infecting our body's cells. Of course, our body's immune system have to start fighting against this virus. The first responders are the innate immune cells that start killing the virus and infected cells. The body may produce a fever that can kill the virus, which cannot survive at a high temperature. The body can also start the adaptive or specific immune response, where B cells produce antibodies that can fight the pathogen with the help of helper T cells, while cytotoxic T cells kill the viruses. In more severe cases, the virus may produce a cytokine storm that makes the immune system fight itself and destroy healthy cells. Hopefully, the immune system can mount an effective response and the virus is defeated, with memory T and B cells ready in case it tries to attack again. So, how did this virus become a pandemic we see today in just less than a year? Well, the virus was first found in the city of Wuhan, China in late 2019. It has since spread throughout the entire world. There are several reasons why this happened. First, today's world is hyper-connected through international flights in urban city centers. These viruses infect us and then we carry them across the world, sometimes not even knowing we have them. Research suggests that the incubation period for the virus on average is 5 days, meaning that people who show no symptoms at first or not at all may become carriers and unknowingly spread the disease to more people. Now, to fight this virus as a society or as an entire community, we have to listen to our health experts and follow their instructions to keep ourselves and our loved ones safe. This means hygiene practices such as washing your hands, strict physical distancing rules, and the government must employ methods such as contact tracing and widespread testing to assess and respond to the outbreak. We need to lower the number of cases to a level manageable by the healthcare system until we finish producing and testing the vaccines. The only way for now is to make sure we don't get infected and we don't spread it to other people. So please, wear a mask and stay at home. My name is Ryan from RyanEthanYeo. Thank you for watching.